Hello, Namaste, praise the Lord. Myself Daniel Peter. Good afternoon, friends and technicians and aircraft maintenance engineers all over the world. Please like my before starting our topic. Please like my videos, subscribe my videos, and with your love, affection, and determination. With the determination, we will now study about the safety precautions to be taken while working on the aircraft or helicopter or any system. First, we will ensure the circuit breaker pull out from the cockpit. There is a circuit breakers will be installed on the cockpit for the landing gear, for the wheels, for the APU, for the engine, everything. We will ensure the CB pull out should be there, circuit breaker pull out. Then we will ensure the depressurize the system. Like in the landing gear, there is one landing gear. Suppose this is a sock strut. And there is one nut, and this is the wheels. This nut is called as a swivel nut. This nut we will depressurize by rotating the anti-clockwise by using the adjustable wrench. By using the adjustable wrench, we will rotate the anti-clockwise to ensure the depressurize the system in the case of landing gear change. Okay. We will ensure also the landing gear pin should be installed. A landing gear pin or a downlock pin should be installed. We will also ensure that all the trussels and things should be clear, clearance should be there. Like in the case of IDG system also, we depressurize the IDG like the fluid out. Okay. We will ensure the bonding should be removed or bonding should be attached. We should ensure. If bonding is not ensured, so it can cause electrical hazards, like it will damage the aircraft, electrical equipments. Okay. Now all the fuel and hydraulic lines should be removed. Suppose we are removing the engine, suppose we are removing the landing gear, so we will ensure that all fuel hydraulic lines should be removed. Like suppose we are doing a wheel change or a brake change, we will deflate the tire first, and 50 to 100 psi. First we will do jack the aircraft, but safety precaution also deflate the tire around 50 to 100 psi. Then parking brakes on. Now parking brakes should be on when your wheels are, when we are removing the wheels, but when we are installing the wheel on the brake assembly, we will ensure that the rotor or stator bullet, like in the case of brake system, it has two systems. Brake has two things, that is a rotor and the stator. Rotor has a slot, rotor has a keyway slot. This slot is called as a keyway. In the case of brakes, this is called as a keyway. All the layers of the rotor will be installed, so that while the parking brakes should be off during the installation, so that your keyways should align properly in the rotors, and your spacers on the wheel has spacers, so the spacers will go inside and it will install the wheel properly. Set the parking like when you are doing the engine installation or engine replacement, the antithesis should be put on the bolts, that is on the threads only, the threads, because antithesis is like to prevent the seize of the bolt. So suppose when we are removing the bolt during the engine removal, so it should remove very nicely by using the torque wrench or bits, so it can cause damage. To prevent the bolt damage, antithesis should be put. So this is all about the general this is about the safety precaution we must ensure when we are working on the aircraft, helicopters or any system. Thank you so much. Namaste. Jai Hind.